never dare to eat this. Try my hand on this. Food fam, I have been wanting to tell you this for a very long time that I am finally getting Korean soya marinated eggs with some steamed rice. This looks so good. This is my first time trying this and I'm super excited and nervous because breakfast I would never dare to eat this. But yeah, if it is good for the gut, I would love to. So let's see पहले ये egg मेरा अंदर से वैसा हुआ है कि नहीं, yolky and that black color. Let's see. So ये मेरा कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है अंदर it's half boiled. वो gooey वाला egg yolk नहीं निकला. It has become little hard. But the color has turned out to be beautiful. इसलिए इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा yolk के ऊपर इसको थोड़ा और moist करने के लिए मैंने और थोड़ा सा वो soya marinade डाला. And now this looks good and I'm super excited to try. First I'll try the rice. Wow, this is so good. Spicy, umami. The flavors of ginger, garlic, spring onion, soya sauce, salt, sugar, everything infused along with the sesame oil on top. It's fab, tasting so good. It's so good. Let's take the egg now. The egg is a bit salty, but very good, very good, very good. Let's take the rice and egg together. This is so good. The bits and pieces of the red chili, fab. It's a blend of spice cake along with that nutty taste of the sesame oil, fab. And this is the last bite. I would say the soya marinated egg is yay for me. I'm trying this for the first time and I think I'm in love with this. You should definitely give this a try. I think there are a lot of health benefits also with this. देखो मुझे तो पता है और मैं तो हमेशा बताती हूँ, but you let me know in the comment section. इसको Koreans क्यों खाते in the morning? Is it because of the taste or does this have any health benefits? Now coming to the part जिसके लिए हम सब यहाँ पर हैं, which is the Q&A. So the first question is 5 question है. I'll try to answer most of them. आप और एक pet लेने का सोच रही हो, maybe a female dog. वैसे I have answered this question indirectly a lot of times. So today let me just directly tell you that no, I'm not planning to buy any dog ever in my life. After buying Sinzu, I felt that it was a big mistake which I did because I got to know about the pet industry, obviously the bad side. So I would urge and I would request everyone, never buy a dog, rather adopt the street dogs. Or if not adopting, then please give shelter to the street dogs. 2 बिस्किट या खाना खिला सकते हो. अगर किसी street dog को wound हुआ है तो आप उसका थोड़ा medication कर सकते हो, which I do. And a lot of time I do get this comments that आपने उस doggy को कुछ नहीं खिलाया, आपने उसको कुछ खिलाया ना. See, I do what I believe in and not necessary जो सारी चीज़ें आपको कैमरा में दिखे वही होए और जो सारी चीज़ें आपको कैमरा में ना दिखे वो ना हो. So yeah, I am in short, I am not planning and I will never buy a dog. प्राची दी अपना अलग YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करने के बारे में सोच रही है क्या? No, not really because she is not much of a social media person. Yeah, definitely she is fun, too much fun. She is my favorite character at the Singmunda channel. But हम लोग रहते हो तो कर लेती है. Otherwise, her interest mostly lies in lifestyle and fashion and that is her passion. And seeing me, converting my passion into profession, she doesn't want to do that. So I don't think so. that she'll ever open her YouTube channel, but you can ask her also on her Instagram or at the Singmunda channel. Your next travel destination? Okay, my next travel destination is Vietnam. I'm going on first week of September, and I'm super excited for that trip because new cuisine, new people, new culture, new learning. So yeah, I'm excitedly looking after my next trip. Your dream destination for holidays? Anywhere in the northeast, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram. I wish to travel to those places. I really want to do justice with the food series of those states. The culture, the story, the people, everything aligns with my character, and I find peace at those places. So yeah, Northeast India is somewhere I want to travel फॉर हॉलीडेज. आपने और बिट्टू भैया में कभी कोई कंटेंट किसी के चैनल में दिखाएंगे या फिर किसका कंटेंट बेस्ट है, बात पर झगड़े होते हैं? नो, नॉट रियली, बिकॉज नाउ माई कंटेंट टाइप इज चेंज्ड अ बिट. आई एम फनी बट आई एम नॉट दैट एनर्जेटिक राइट नाउ as I was 4 years back. So yeah, I think Bittu is fun, he's raw, he's the best entertainment package one can have, and I think my channel has become like more of an infotainment channel. So yeah, entertainment and infotainment so कभी clash नहीं होता है, और वैसे भी टाइम भी नहीं मिलता कि कंटेंट के बारे में डिस्कस करें. সুন্দর এসছে. So my next meal is this beautiful looking kimbap, overloaded, beautiful, garden fresh. मैं ये बहुत टाइम से देख रही थी बनाने के लिए, मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियो सेव भी करके रखी थी. Really wanted to try my hand on this one, and this looks so good, so good, so good. And food when it looks good, I think खा के और मजा आता है. इसके साथ I am not taking any dip. I'm gonna eat stand alone like this. देख रहे हो food fam, like this is so cute. Food fam, इस kimbap के लिए तो you have to drop a yellow heart. See, एकदम इंडिया का फ्लैग की तरह नहीं लग रहा? ग्रीन, वाइट, येलो. What is that work जिसमें मेहनत नहीं लगे, जो थोड़ा टफ ना हो? Oh, I did it, bro! I did it! I did it! I did it with a chopstick. Let's try. ये मेरे मुंह में जाएगा? Do you think so? Big bite है, चला जाएगा. Food fam, this is super healthy kimbap, I must say. Seaweed, antioxidants. Rice is a good form of carb. The egg has good protein. There's fiber. Sausage, shallow fried. Even the smoked chicken ham मैंने इसमें डाला हुआ है. There's arugula leaves, lettuce. So good and so soul satisfying. Oh my god, I can't tell you, this is so nice. Arugula leaf का taste is so fresh and so nice. That crunch and cheese के वजह से that creaminess and saltiness. This is so good. I'll eat this, but इसके साथ we'll try the kombucha which I got from the Spencer's. The glass is orange, but the flavor is mango. Wow, this is deliciously acidic. Fab. This kimbap is a must try at home. If you try this recipe, then let me know in the comment section. And how much would you rate this? And I think ये भी मैं first time खा रही हूँ ये वाला, इस पैटर्न का. And this is a complete ये is a must ये. You should definitely try this at home. You will thanks me tons of times later. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. This combination. चलो चलो, खाना पीना तो बहुत हुआ. नाउ इट्स क्वेश्चन टाइम. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड फूड फैम लोगों ने ऐसे 5, 6, 7, 8 क्वेश्चन एक एक साथ क्यों डाला हुआ है. What's your all-time favorite street food? See, my favorite food keeps on changing, but if you ask me currently, it's dosa. Be it street food or restaurant, I love dosa. Which food combo do you secretly love? I don't know whether this combo anyone has tried or not, but normally fana bhat, माड़ चावल नॉर्मली लोग घी के साथ खाते हैं, बट आई लव ईटिंग माड़ चावल विथ आम का अचार, माड़ चावल विथ झोल, वैसे गीला होता है, उसके ऊपर झोल डाल दिया, लाइक अ फिश करी और चिकन करी, एनी करी, आई लव इट. ट्राई करके बताना कैसा है, वियर्ड है, बेस्ट है, अच्छा है, कैसा है बताना. इफ यू वर अ डेजर्ट, विच वन वुड यू बी? Honestly speaking, I am never a dessert person, but these days I am. Like, you give me desserts, I'll eat it all my way through. These days मेरा sweet cravings बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, and last एक साल में I think I never crave for fried chicken or ramen, but at midnight I crave for sweet. But उसका भी reason है because 3 months I have taken so much of stress in my life that my sugar, which is not a good news, my sugar is on the borderline. So if I don't maintain it, which I am maintaining now, I might become diabetic. But yeah, you can place me in any section. I love dessert and I want to be dessert. अब आपने dessert की बात कर दी हो तो ये जो मैं खाऊंगी ना, मेरी मम्मी से आप लोग डांट खाइएगा because yesterday I got this baklava from Spencer. I love desserts food, fam. This is kind of mango. मुझे गरम गरम खाने से ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है और ठंडा गरम सब चलेगा. Which dish do you think is overrated? I think anything around coffee, matcha or ramyun is overrated for me. Ramen and ramyun दोनों में बहुत फर्क है. So yeah, this is my personal opinion. What food best matches your personality? I think my personality is of an extremist. I am confused and I am loud. Any dish which has spiciness in it, तो spicy food खाने से दिमाग पूरा blank हो जाता है और spicy food खाने से आप चिल्लाने लग जाते हो and you become loud. So I think any food which evolves around spice, that matches with my personality. Okay, food fam, so here it comes my next meal and I have made a ramyun packet. ये मैंने कल स्पेंसर गई थी तो I saw this packet called Jin Ramyun and this was looking very tempting and this का 2 flavors, एक mild एक spicy. I took the spicy one and इसके साथ my homemade kimchi. ये fresh batch बना था and I am super excited to try this with the kimchi. I know अभी just last question में मैंने बोला कि ramyun is overrated. I said overrated. मैंने ये तो नहीं बोला कि खाना नहीं चाहिए. But yeah, let's dig in. इसका सूप पूरा dry हो चुका है. But let's try this one. Oh, this is so good. Overrated हो, overhyped हो, अच्छा हो, बुरा हो, खाने में जो मजा है ना, oh, this is so good. इसका कोई comparison नहीं है. सनी साइड अप एक बनाने गई थी, इसका सनी साइड अप पूरा फैल गया था रायते की तरह. फिर भी I managed to make it aesthetically good and cute. ठीक है, ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, खाते हैं. So good, so nice and bouncy and chewy. Let's take the kimchi with the ramyun. The kimchi is so good, so spicy, tangy. A very nice kick from the kimchi's taste. my kombucha is still left. Fab. Now let's take another question. Did you leave your high-paying CA job now? How did you manage to start business since you had zero background in it? With so much on your plate, how do you manage time and stay fit? Please share your daily routine timetable. So, I think Food Fam who follows me at Sinful Vlogs, they know how I'm managing it all by literally sacrificing my sleep and Rabat being fit. I'm not that fit currently, but I'm trying to be on track, trying to learn time management because I have got a lot of things to do in my basket and I want to do it all. पता नहीं लाइफ का कोई ठीक ठिकाना है just want to do everything. So yeah, regarding me giving ज्ञान about being fit, I think I'm not the right person. Did I leave my high paying CA job? I think since my YouTube started 2021 से I am earning more than my CA job. Second, I did not leave my CA job because I might have left the company. I'm not working for the company's client, but the same company where I used to work, they're working with me, but this time for my company. But difference यही है, पहले मैं दूसरे clients का books of accounts देखती थी, अभी मैं अपना खुद का books of accounts देखती हूँ. Being a CA student, what advice would you give to other aspirants? Not only to CA aspirants, but I think I would like to say this to everyone that focus on your studies, complete your education. Education के बाद अगर job करना है तो job का experience ले लो. अगर parents का कोई business है तो business में चले जाओ. You guys have a new perspective which can add value to your parents' business. If you do a job, then you'll get good exposure also. Because मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ, अगर आपको business भी करना है या आपको खुद का भी कुछ करना है, आप करो. But थोड़ा experience लेने के बाद करो. It will help you. अगर CA कर रहे हो तो complete your study, do a job for 2-3 years, save some money and then invest that money in your business. You know the pros and cons of books of accounts, you know how to manage funds. There's no one better than you who understands the profit and loss account, who understands the capital, loans, liability and everything. So yeah, complete your education, focus on this. Do not get diverted and also yes, do not take failure too seriously because अगर CA नहीं तो कुछ और सही. How difficult is to maintain a restaurant and YouTube? It's very difficult. नींद उड़ गई, चैन खो गया, कोलेस्ट्रॉल आ गया, डायबिटीज होने वाली हूँ, so a lot of problem. So yeah, this is how I'm managing. And how do you maintain your skincare and eating healthy amidst all this? So regarding my skin is not that great. You can see you can see this. ये मुझे नहीं पता अभी, ये तो पहले से बहुत कम हुआ है स्टिल. एंड रिगार्डिंग ईटिंग हेल्दी, जब से रेस्टोरेंट खुला है आई डोंट गेट टू ईट फूड प्रॉपरली. देयर इज नो प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशनल मील विच आई टेक ऑन टाइम और समथिंग एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डिटोरिएटिंग बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट एबल टू मैनेज थिंग्स अप. बट नाउ आई एम बेटर प्लेस्ड एंड आई शूट 7 days a month and rest आपके पास बचता है 21-22 days. I think that's enough days to balance between eating for content and eating healthy. थोड़ा kombucha बचा अभी भी. Okay. So the next question is, how do you decide which restaurant or street food vendors to include in your video? 3 places on your bucket list for travel. Mostly you have seen me covering legendary, iconic places and places which are hidden. Street vendors जिनको किसी ने नहीं cover किया because legendary places, iconic places, they don't need. They have their loyal customer base. So मैं जाऊँ या कोई भी customer जाए, they will treat all of them equally. जितने भी viral places होता है ना, the people who are in the high कि उनका भी माइंडसेट वैसा ही रहता है बिकॉज जितनी भी जगह वायरल हुई है ना, आई हैव बीन टू ऑल ऑफ देम. माइट बी आई हैव नॉट रिकॉर्डेड देम बट आई हैव पर्सनली वेंट एन एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई हैव सीन दिस. जैसे कैमरा ऑन होता है ना, their रवैया and their attitude changes and off camera they are different. So वहाँ पर कुछ realness नहीं है, so that doesn't excites me. तो दूसरा बात, जो मेरे known में है, जो मेरे लोग हैं, जो social media पे नहीं है, to the places they have been there 7 साल, 8 साल, 25 साल, 30 साल से जा रहे हैं और places कुछ कोई नई जगह होगी जो खुली है. Not much of the influencers have covered it. So I choose दिल से, मतलब It's all intuition. I don't know. Intuition बता देता है. 3 places on my bucket list for food travel. Food travel अगर बात करें, anywhere in the Southeast Asian countries like China, Japan, Korea. हाँ, अगर अभी के फिलहाल के लिए बोलो कि फूड के लिए अगर मेरे को कहीं ट्रैवल करना पड़े, या महाराष्ट्र. In India, महाराष्ट्र. What do you like to do in your free time? So in my free time, I get a lot of panic attacks. So that's the reality which has started for the last 2 years mainly. तो मैं अपने भाई बहन के पास जाती हूँ and मैं उनके सामने जाके मेरे को palpitation हो रहा है, मेरे को ये हो रहा है. I do this and that's my best time because I spend a lot of time with my siblings. We go on siblings date, we talk, I just talk. In my free time, I just talk. Enough of conversation. Now let's just eat. So I've got one dessert. I got yesterday only. Kiwi tart. This is so cute. This is so strange now, guys. You have seen me evolve. A girl who never used to love dessert, जिसको मीठा के नाम से होता था, and now she craves for dessert. Can you believe it? Looks so good, so good, so good. Let's eat. ऐसे ना मैं सिंजू को बोलती हूँ, सिंजू looking so good. फ्रेश कीवी का टेस्ट आया. However ये वाला थोड़ा सा सॉगी हो गया. फ्रिज में था ना, but this is good, very light. It's nice, very nice. और क्रीम कम है, बिस्किट का लेयर बहुत ज्यादा है. Love this. This is very good. Kombucha again. अब जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में है, बट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने से पहले फूड फैम, आई एम वेरी नर्वस, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड आई हैव बीन वांटिंग टू टेल यू दिस फ्रॉम अ वेरी 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 लॉन्ग टाइम दैट आई एम फाइनली गेटिंग another outlet of sumos. So I got a lot of questions regarding sumos, that when I will be opening another outlet for sumos, whether sumos will be in another city. Sumos is having its small little baby, like yes, I will call it as baby only, कि मेरे baby का एक और baby हो रहा है, and it's a small QSR, so we are expanding in QSR format. You know, when I started the sumos, I used my 5 to 6 years of saving to open the first outlet. It wasn't easy, but it was my dream to bring my kind of food to you. Since then, we have grown, learned, made mistakes, and most importantly, build a food family together. Now I'm building our next chapter, our first QSR outlet in Bangur. Now this one is extra special because it's been built completely from scratch again, step by step, and it's 100% vegetarian. Not because of the area, but because I want the sumos to be for everyone. A place of inclusivity. Don't worry, our main restaurant will always have both veg and non-veg, and this time it's going to be super cute, compact space made with the right experience, the right contact, and a lot of love. And I can't wait to welcome you all there. Also, we have launched the Sumo's own YouTube channel where you will get all the behind the scene updates from building this QSR to the menu and all the fun in between. I really want to say that thank you for being a part of this journey. It means everything to me, and see you at the Bangur this month soon. Okay, so yeah, this is all the update I wanted to give, and I have one more dessert to try. I really wanted to try this tart, and वो मैंने खाया था kiwi वाला, and this is a Rumingo. Lovely, lovely. I love this. The mango tastes a little off. The kiwi one was better. However, the mango is not that great. It's okay. My ramen is still left. I didn't finish it only. I love both spicy and sweet dishes. क्या सारा क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे तो दिया, अब क्या बचा है? क्या? ओ मेरी शादी, मेरी शादी कब होगी? देखो, अगर शादी नहीं हो रही तो कोई रीजन ही होगा ना. कौन नहीं चाहेगा शादी करना, कौन नहीं चाहेगा बच्चे करना, राइट? बट वो रीजंस क्या है, अगले Q&A में बताऊंगी.